Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to update your Radtel or possibly Baofeng. I'm using the Radtel cable. It looks like this. It just plugs into your USB on your computer and goes into your port right here, just like that. And so what I did was went to the Radtel site and downloaded the 1.25a firmware, and this was the stuff that was in it. This is just some stuff I downloaded, but so if you look, this is what's in it. You've got the bootloader. This is what I downloaded. It's for my radio, the RT470 10 watt, and this is so that you can have all bands available on your radio. And here's the README. It kind of tells you how to do it. So if we move this here, what it says is long press side keys 2 and 3, which are going to be the buttons. So I believe this is 1 and this is 2, this is 3. So you're going to long press those and then turn power on to do the upgrade. Select the COM port and then press to upgrade, something like that. We'll go over it and see if we can do it for you. I've already done it, so we'll just kind of mock it up here. So we'll open the bootloader that's in the program. We'll just move this down here. We'll put the README right here. Where was the bootloader? There's the bootloader. Okay. Bootloader. So, long press side keys 2 and 3 and power on. So I'll hold these 2 buttons and turn it on. Looks like the light's on. Let's see what happens. Okay, so normally stuff shows up on the screen. Nothing's there. Just the light's on. So it must be it's ready to accept it. Okay, so we're gonna insert the file, which I've already done it, so it knows where it is, otherwise you'd browse to it. So there's the file, the 470 10 watt all bands, so we can have everything. And then the COM, you only have 1 selection, so we'll just do 4. And then whatever this is. Alright, and then if something happens, I'll just slide this over so we can see if something happens. Oh, yep. Lights flashing. And of course, that's going up. And it looks like our upgrade has took. So that's how you upgrade to all bands on your Radtel and maybe even your Baofeng. Hope this helps, guys.